Factor 6x squared plus x minus 35. The answer is 2x plus 5, 3x minus 7. Let's work towards this answer. So one way of factoring this is to take the 6 and move it here, x squared plus x minus. And what is 6 times this term here? 6 times negative 35 is negative 210. Now we factor normally. X times x is x squared. And what two numbers are close enough when they multiplied to be, when you multiply them, become negative 210, but are close enough so that it becomes essentially 1. So you could, if you wanted to, start listing out the factors, 1, 210, 205, but this would be a waste of time because these numbers are so far apart, it's not even close to 1. So let's skip ahead to 10 times 21, which is still far apart. Is there any number that's a bit closer? And so when I play with my calculator and I divide 210 divided by 15, I get 14. So I'm going to choose the numbers 14 and 15. If you multiply these, they actually become 210. Now how can I actually make one of these positive or negative such that them multiplied is negative 210, yet them added becomes positive 1? So I'm going to choose positive 15, negative 14. You'll see that it works out. So verify, x squared, positive 15x minus 14x becomes positive x, and then this times this becomes negative 210. This is great. We're on the right track. Now because we're using this little trick here, we promise not to forget about the number 6. So we divide by 6 and we simplify first. We must reduce. So we get x minus, this is 7 over 3, and x plus, divide by 3 becomes 5 over 2. And finally we promote these little denominators in front of the x. And so when you're talking about factoring, this is equivalent to, this is where I can finally use the equal sign, 3x minus 7 and 2x plus 5, which is what we got. 3x minus 7 times 2x plus 5.